how to fix Valorant packet loss problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do first just type here update, click on it, and then type here background, and here's it, background apps. And now just turn off this option here, and then type here updates, check for updates. Now make sure to install the updates that you can find here. Just also view optional updates, and then type here services, and now go to VGC, right click on it and click restart, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and restart your PC, and that's it. See you in the next video.